Guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. A heavy Sudoku, regular Sudoku, in today's newspaper on Friday. Yes, it's Friday, June the 30th, 2023, last day of the month, June. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only half of them I will solve tonight, yeah, in the evening. But let me start or continue with this one, the heavy Sudoku, regular Sudoku, number not 6677, no, 6678, yeah. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 27 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in additional, it will be a 1 star. For 27 printed digits, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see if I can manage this. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the third column, so the column between. The second column, there are only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. Alright, now, let me see which number can I pick. 2, 2. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. Let me see. 1, 2. Well, we have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column 3 in the second column. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in the middle row, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next to the last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2, but let me continue now with the 1 again. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 1, 1, okay. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. How about? The 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. On that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5, 5, okay. 5, 5. Alright. 4 missing numbers in the first column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 9. We have a 3 and a 9 in this big square, so no 3 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. 3 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in the first column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 6, 6, okay. Then. 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. 3, 3, okay. Interesting. Yeah. How about? Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 9. We have a 5 and a 9 in the first row, so no 5 and 9 in these 2 boxes. 5 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 9. 5 and the 9. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So now we have 1 digit left in this column for number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. Yes. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 0. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the middle row, so no 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in one of those two boxes in this column, 7 in the last column, so the column between. The only two places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Then let me see, 3, 6, 8, 8, 8, no, 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. So 2 missing numbers in this big square from the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 3 goes there. 1 a missing number in the last column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in this last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Yes, digit number 1, number 8. Alright, 7, 4, need a 6 here. Alright, 6 and the 3. 6, 3, and 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and the 7, we have a 4 now in the last row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7. Need a 7 there. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these two boxes. Yeah, 7 in the middle row, no 7 in those two boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this column, 7 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next, only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, here, or there. You see a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. Here, 7 in the second row, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in the first row for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 2. Right. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in the middle column, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 1. Alright. Then and 9 and 5. Okay. Let me think. 6, 3, 7. How about 5, 9 and the 4? Need a 4 here. Need a 4 here. Yeah. 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 in this row, so no 3 and 5 in this box. 3 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4, 4, okay. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 6 and 7. 6 and 7, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. So I marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 7. We have a 7 now in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. And 1 box left in this row for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be there. 5 and a 9, we have a 5 now in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. We have a 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 2 missing. 1 box left in this row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the middle column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and the 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes again. Yeah, another 12 minutes puzzle. Heavy Sudoku, well, don't think so. Faster than 50 minutes should be a light again. So the indication is totally wrong, publisher. It's not a Heavy Sudoku. Yeah. The publisher need to see or solve the puzzle self. So after you solve it, you can indicate the puzzle. If it's heavy, then it's very, very heavy. If it's light, then it's very light here. But it's again a light Sudoku, so don't think so. It's a heavy. But we solve it again. Thank you again for watching, and well, we'll meet you in the evening tonight for the other 4 puzzles in additional. So have a great and fantastic Friday. Otherwise, see you then tomorrow, and it's weekend. Yes. Until then, bye bye for now.